been a while since I got on here, but I tried to like do some workout this morning, and apparently I cannot work out because guess what? I have these two people right here, over here. This is what happened every time I try to work out. So, yeah. Thor and Loki. Why can't mommy work out? Can you tell me why I can't work out? Thor. Why can't mommy work out? Loki. So yeah, this is what I deal with every time I try to do like home workout, because I've been tired lately and just I don't know what's going on. Just tired. I guess tired from work, and so just been busy. And today I decided, I was like, okay, well, let's get the camera out and we're gonna just do a mini workout. So I have some stuff right here to just work out with. Thor, let go. And Thor thinks that no, mommy cannot work out because all eyes gotta be on me, right? Thor, this is not your rope to play with. So I'm gonna try to do my workout this time around, if they're gonna let me. I did a little bit of crunches and did some lower leg exercises. So basically like this, I strap this around my ankle and then I just do like some lower leg exercises. And then I have my ab roller that Loki is trying to figure out why I'm using it. So got that, and then just do a little like arm, flexes or whatever. So did about maybe 15 minutes of the workout, and that's about it, because I can't do anything with two dogs, right? Named Thor and Loki. Right? Right, Thor? Right, Loki? Alright, so let's go try to get them all situated. We caught today. So guys, did you find the squirrel? Huh? Did you find the squirrel, Loki? Huh? Loki, did you find the squirrel? Huh? Did you find that squirrel that you've been trying to get? Thor, did you guys find the squirrel? No? Oh, you did? What happened? You gonna catch it next time? Next time, you gonna catch it? Yes, I knew you will. That squirrel, you've been trying to catch that squirrel for a while now. But guess what? It's one step ahead of you. No, it's not. You're gonna get it next time. I know you will. Loki. This is what they do all day. All day long. Right? Hey. You still gotta clean up your stuff. You gotta clean up all your toys, buddy. Loki. Yeah, you gotta clean up your toys. Yeah, this is all they do all day long. This is his natural habitat. Let's see. What did you find? Nothing. What are you boys doing? Huh? Thor, what are you doing? Huh? guys doing? Loki. What are you doing, Loki? Where are all your toys? Did you guys clean up your toys? No. No, you didn't clean up your toys? Loki, did you clean up your toys? No? What are you waiting for? You need help? See, every time I clean up you guys' toys, you guys and did you just walk away? I'm still talking, mister. Mommy's still talking. Okay. Yeah. Mommy's still talking. You see, Loki just walked away. I know, that was rude, wasn't that? It was very rude of him. Okay, so once Mommy's done here, we gotta go clean up, okay? You gotta take your brother and you guys go clean up, or you wait. Because every time I clean you guys' toys... Oh, you want me to talk to you? Every time... Hey, I'm still talking. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? You're not taking a bath. It's not time to take a bath. You already took a bath. Why are you in the tub, buddy? Huh? So Thor loves getting a bath. He loves taking a bath. He loves like playing in the water and everything. Thor, come on. Come on, baby. We're not taking a bath. Come on, Bubba. See, Loki's trying to get in now. Because you got in. I know you want a bath, but you already took a bath, buddy. You already took a bath, Bubba. I know, I'm sorry. You want the water? Is that what you want? Okay. Is that what you want? Just got done giving the dogs lunch, and I'm trying to find like dog foods are like good for dogs. Thor is Thor's not one. Thor is 2 years old and Loki is 1 year old, and I'm trying to see what dogs food are like good out there. So comment down below to let me know, and I just basically just tidied up and got the dogs toys all cleaned up and tidied up the house. So just like, share, subscribe, and do what all the other things that the other YouTubers ask you to do, and I'll catch you guys on the next flip.